Pete Hegseth just forced the Boy Scouts, sorry, Scouting America now, to completely overhaul their policies. And honestly, this whole thing is fucking insane. Here's what happened. Hegseth told Scouting America they had to dump their inclusive policies or lose all Pentagon support. We're talking about military bases for meetings, National Guard support for their massive jamborees, the works, so they caved completely. The changes are extensive. No more gender identity recognition. It's biological sex only now. They're killing the Citizenship and Society merit badge and replacing it with a military service one. All DEI language gets scrapped. And here's the kicker. The Pentagon gets to install their own liaison inside the organization to keep watch. What that actually means is the military just took operational control of a civilian youth organization that's been around for 114 years. Look, I get being frustrated with institutional drift, but this is textbook government overreach. The same people who scream about federal tyranny just used federal funding as a weapon to reshape a private organization. And Scouting America? They folded like a cheap tent rather than lose that military partnership. The irony is thick here. An organization that teaches kids about citizenship and independence just got muscled into compliance by threatening their funding. That's some lesson in civics. This isn't governance, it's extortion with a patriotic bow on top.